from the Boksburg Magistrates Court. And Masigo, this was meant to be about finalization of the indictment and preparation for handing over the matter to the High Court. Did we make any movement in that regard?
Not yet, Tilasiza. Remember, the last time we appeared here in court, the accused had not given the magistrate an answer on whether or not they would get legal representation themselves or go for legal aid. So today they then told the magistrate that they will apply for legal aid. So we're coming back on the 5th of March for that part to then take place. The judge didn't necessarily move it to the High Court. The magistrate, rather, has not moved it to the High Court just yet, because now they're giving them time to be assigned each a lawyer from legal aid, although accused number 5 and one of the other accused have their own private lawyers. But I do have, of course, the important reaction from the family, the Meyiwa family. We have his sister, Senzo Meyiwa's sister, Zama Meyiwa, as well as his brother, of course, as you may know already, Senzo Meyiwa. She's got a top, Sissy. Can we just show them? Zama is wearing a top that says "Justice for Senzo." As you can see there, her brother's face when he was still goalkeeping for Orlando Pirates. Now, Tilas, obviously, I'll just start with you, Spiso. At least than last time, but the magistrate bafuna ukuthi bazikhulumele izizwa njani family ngokuthi kuhambe kanjani namhlanje.
Siphatheke kabi ukuthi uhlehlile postpone, but you believe in God. uNkulunkulu siyazi ukuthi unathi ukuba khona uNkulunkulu usihlanganise nafu forum ukuthi ube khona ibhekelele yonke into ihamba ngendlela efanele ukuhlehla kwecala. We believe ukuthi khona more information esafanele ukuthi itholakale vele akusizi ukujaha into ukuthi yenzeka kanti khona okunye kusasela ukuthi fanele kutholakale. Yeah.
He's telling us there, Tilasize, that he is just disappointed with the fact that the case has been postponed again, especially that date, the 5th of March. It seems way too far away. But let me bring in Usis Zama. She is also a sibling to Senzo Meyiwa. Zama, I saw you earlier. I even asked you to uraitina. Uzizwa kanjani ngokuthi iqala lihambe kanjani namhlanje nawe mhlambe uzizwa njengosifisa ukuthi lihlehla futhi?
Ngizizwa ngibuhlungu kakhulu. Yaqala ukubona into enje, yaqala nqa ukubona into enjena okusho ukuthi kukhulu ngempela abasolwa la abalethela ngaphambili abakwazi yona bafisa ukusho, kodwa ke manje ke solindela umthetho ukuthi uthatha indawo yakhe, indawo yawo, and then mesidikela konke uNkulunkulu uzosiphendulela. Akukho okunye singakwenza, but ke ngoba sine Afriforum siyathemba ukuthi konke kuzohamba kahle.
Usisi uNhlanhla bekangitshela namhlanje kuseni ukuthi uma bekumele ukuthi eze namhlanje ku court, but wabona ukuthi yazini kungcono ahlale emlazi ngoba inhliziyo yakhe izoba buhlungu. Njani uma
umana uyancenga yena uyawusabile ukuza ngoba uthe umeza ngapha eGoli uvela akhumbule ngathi uzobona uSenzo, yabona izintaba lezi zaseGoli zimkhumbuza ngathi uza kuSenzo, yabo nje kubuhlungu yeah, uphatheke kabi impela, but ke akusokwenza solinda umthetho wenze umsebenzi wawo.
Ngibongile kakhulu sisi. That was Zama Meyiwa. She's also a sibling to Senzo Meyiwa, confirming what the older sister Nhlanhla Meyiwa said this morning, that their mother was supposed to actually come here with them today, but decided that would just bring back bad memories about her son being killed here in the city of Gold. But also, she says that in terms of how the case is moving, she says that she's shocked. She's never seen anything like this, and she's basically just shocked at how the accused were able to just speak to the magistrate. At some point, one of the accused was actually speaking over the magistrate, and the magistrate was trying to tell him that he needed to keep quiet so that he doesn't say anything that would incriminate him. But he kept on wanting to talk, even with his lawyer trying to advise him not to. At the end, the magistrate had to actually ask the police officers to excuse that accused and take him back to the holding cells while he concluded the case.
Yeah, in fact, Masigo, Masego, lastly, that's actually the part that I wanted us to cover before I let you go. It wouldn't be this case and the appearance of these accused without a bit of courtroom drama, would it? I mean, I saw one of the accused was wearing a T-shirt there that says, "I want justice to be done. I am not a killer of Senzo Meyiwa." And as you say, one of the other accused, in fact, I think two, were wanting to sort of make some kind of an address. What was the issue there? What did one of the accused want to do when the magistrate was saying, "I strongly advise you against it"?
That T-shirt, in fact, at the back, it actually goes further. It says, "Ask the people who know what happened to Senzo Meyiwa." He doesn't tell us exactly who, but that paragraph actually starts in the front of his T-shirt and continues at the back. And that is the exact accused that was then asked by the magistrate, or rather the magistrate had to ask the court officials to take him back to the holding cells. But basically he and his co-accused wanted to address the court, and they didn't get the chance really to say exactly what they wanted to say to the magistrate, because the magistrate said that he postponed the case the last time to today, mainly because he wanted to know exactly what the accused would do. Would they be getting legal aid, or will they be coming with their own private attorneys? So he wouldn't let them tell the court exactly what it was. He actually, Tilas, went as far as saying this is not a media conference, it is a court of law, and if they wanted to address any of the accusations against them, they can do that in their own accord. But at the moment, he just wanted to know who their legal representatives are who would be able to talk to him on their behalf. But you would remember, Tilasize, that the last time the accused appeared, they were actually saying that they are not guilty. One of them, the one with that T-shirt, that controversial T-shirt, was actually saying that he was in jail at the time that Senzo Meyiwa was murdered in October 6 years ago. So he was saying that he doesn't understand why he is among the people who have been arrested. So it's definitely that they were trying to say, I would assume, that they were trying to say again in court today.
All right, thank you for that. ENCA's Masego Rahlaga out at the Boksburg Magistrates Court, where the matter of the 5 men accused in the murder of Senzo Meyiwa has been postponed to the 5th of March next year.